I'm back in the crafting software, and there's one other really neat feature of this I wanted to share with you. You saw in my previous video how I was using the object tool and adding, but let's say that the shape that you're looking for isn't there, that you need to put two shapes together. So that's very, very simple. So I'm going to go up here to Object, Add, I'm going to bring in a shape, and we'll bring in this half circle, have it on our screen. I'm going to leave it that size, that's fine. I will duplicate it. And now what I want to do is to create like a donut shape. So I want, first off, to rotate that so that the two pieces are touching. I will go up here to my Edit tool, and I'm going into the Transform button. And I have the piece selected that I want to transform. And down here I have a Rotate button. So I'm going to rotate it a couple of times. And now I want to bring the two halves together. That's very hard for me to see. So I will come up here and zoom to my rectangle so it brought up easier on the screen to see. So I can just move that over a little bit. Now you can see that there's a line there. So when this will cut, it will actually cut two half circles. Even though they're together, it's going to cut them like so. I'm going to select both of them, and I want to group them. All right, so now they are grouped together. But even though they are grouped, it still has that line, and I want that line to, I want the line to disappear. So on the left-hand side, I have more tools here, which is grouping. Oops, I need to select the design first, so we've selected that. So on the left-hand side, I have a grouping tool, and opening that up, I have some different options here. So I can weld. And by welding it, it means the two pieces, the line between them is gone. So you want to make sure that they are lined up as you want. But now I have a full donut shape, basically. So, and there's lots and lots of other options and ways that you can play by bringing in the pieces, overlapping them, putting them together, and so on. And so make sure that you understand what all the tools are. Don't be afraid to experiment. If you put something on the screen and it isn't right, you can always, you have your undo and you have a redo button here. And so you can have lots of fun. So you're not restricted to just the shapes that are in there, and you can do the same with your text and so on. So hopefully that little tip will help you get more use out of your crafting software and have fun.